Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Matt, I'm just a dude, and today we're unboxing this DeWalt quarter sheet palm sander. So let's find out what's in the box. So we're unboxing a DeWalt quarter sheet palm grip sander, model number DWE6411K. This tool comes with a 3-year limited warranty, a 1-year free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee from DeWalt. This tool runs on 120 volts AC. It uses 2.3 amps. It orbits at 14,000 orbits per minute with an orbit diameter of 1/16 of an inch. A pad type is a sheet pad. In this box is a DWE6411 sander, a kit bag, a dust bag, and a paper punch. Here we have the dust bag. Here we have the pad punch. This is a DeWalt carry bag. And there's the sander. So that's everything that's inside the box. The dust bag attaches very easily, just pushes on, locks in place. Take it off, put it on. The pad punch is part of the dust collection system. You can see it in through here. What the punch does is once you have the sandpaper on here, you put it on the pad, and you punch through the pad to put air holes in it to allow the dust to be collected. I just wanted to say that this video is not sponsored by DeWalt in any way. If you'd like to see more unboxing and assembly videos of tools, click the link above. If you like this video and want to see more like it or want to see more blue-collar home fixes, please like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Matt, I'm just a dude, and if I can't fix it, I'll fix it so no one else can. Thanks for watching.